Now let's solve this problem. If x is equal to a secant theta plus b tan theta and y is equal to a tan theta plus b secant theta, prove that x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. Here they have given the value of x and y, and we have to prove that x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. First, let me write what we have to prove. Okay? Solution. We have to prove that x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. Okay? Now first let me write only LHS, that is x square minus y square. What is the LHS here? X square minus y square, right? Now substitute the value here. X means what? A secant theta plus b tan theta. It is already given in the problem. That is a secant theta plus b tan theta. The whole square, because x the whole square. The value of x is a secant theta plus b tan theta square. For this minus, y square, that is a tan theta plus b secant theta. Y is what? A tan theta plus b secant theta. The whole square, right? Now, a plus b the whole square. What it will become? It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square formula we know it, right? A plus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now a secant theta plus b tan theta the whole square. We know that in the place of a what we have? A means here a secant theta and b means what? B tan theta, right? Replace this here. A square means what? A square secant square theta plus b square means b square tan square theta. B square tan square theta plus 2 into a into b, that is 2. A means a secant theta, b means b tan theta. Okay? You can replace this here. And a tan theta plus b secant theta, the whole square. That is also in the form of a plus b the whole square, right? That is also in the form of a plus b the whole square. But here a means what? A tan theta. A means a tan theta. B means what? B secant theta. B secant theta. Therefore, a tan theta plus b secant theta the whole square. A tan theta plus b secant theta the whole square. It can be written as a square. A square means a square tan square theta plus b square. B square means b square secant square theta and plus 2 into a into b, that is 2. A means a tan theta, b means b secant theta, right? We have the value for a tan theta plus b secant theta the whole square means this one. Okay? Now substitute that value here. Substitute the value here. That's a secant theta plus b tan theta the whole square means this one. That is a square secant square theta plus b square tan square theta plus 2a secant theta into b tan theta, right? Minus, observe carefully here. For this minus, I will write here minus, and remaining these terms you have to take it in the bracket because you have minus sign here. Be careful. while writing, that is a tan theta plus b secant theta the whole square means what? A square tan square theta, a square tan square theta plus b square secant square theta plus 2a tan theta into b secant theta. Close the bracket. Okay. Now is equal to a square secant square theta plus b square tan square theta plus 2ab secant theta into tan theta. 2ab, I will write together, ab secant theta into tan theta. Now observe carefully, plus into minus, minus. Therefore it will become minus a square tan square theta minus a square tan square theta. Minus into plus, minus b square secant square theta. Okay. Now minus into plus, minus, that is minus 2ab, I will write together ab tan theta into secant theta. Okay. Now observe the terms. 2ab secant theta into tan theta, that is plus 2ab into secant theta into tan theta minus 2ab into secant theta into tan theta. It will get cancelled. These two, they will get cancelled, right? Then what is left? A square secant square theta. What is left? A square secant square theta plus b square tan square theta minus a square tan square theta, then minus b square secant square theta. It is left, right? Now do one thing. A square means these terms, bring it together, okay, and b square, these two terms, bring it together, okay. See here, is equal to a square secant square theta minus a square tan square theta. I brought the a square terms together. Now I will bring the b square terms together, but before that I will write this one first. Okay, you can do directly, but most of you, they will get confused. Therefore you write this one first, that is minus b square secant square theta plus b square tan square theta plus b square tan square theta. Okay, just this one I have written first and this one I have written after this. Okay, you can write as it is, as for your convenience. Now in these two terms, take common. Which is common? A square is common, right? A square secant square theta, it is left. When you will take a square common, which is left here? Secant square theta. Here what is left? Minus tan square theta. Okay. Now minus, take common. Minus, you take common. And which is common here? B square, it is common. B square, it is common. Therefore secant square theta. Observe here. Here it will become minus. Okay. I had to write minus here, because here you have plus sign. Minus minus, it will become plus. Minus into minus, it will become plus. Therefore secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. Now see here, secant square theta minus tan square theta. You will get one formula. What is that? Now let me rub this. You can copy down. See here, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, right? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. That is the standard formula of trigonometry. Then 1 is equal to secant square theta. This plus tan square theta, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become what? Minus tan square theta. That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is what? 1. Therefore, replace here. Secant square theta minus tan square theta, that is what? 1. According to the standard formula of trigonometry. That is a square secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. For this minus, let me write minus b square secant square theta minus tan square theta, that is what? 1. A square into 1 is a square. For this minus minus, b square into 1 is what? b square. A square minus b square. That is what we have to prove. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. That is x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.